Hi guys, Captain Nick here once again at MarineMax St. Petersburg, and today behind me I've got a 210 Boston Whaler Montauk, all new boat motor and trailer package, beautiful light blue hull sides. Let's hop on board and get this walkthrough started. So one thing you're going to notice right off the bat is this boat is equipped with its maximum horsepower package. Specifically right here we've got an all new Mercury 200 horsepower V6 4-stroke. How fast does this boat go exactly? 51 miles an hour. Let's see if you can beat my high score. So we got a little bit of an interesting combination going on here. In very nice contrast with the futuristic cowling on the all-new Mercury, you can see a theme of teak throughout this boat. Gives it a real classy feel, real nice mixture. Call it a sweet and salty flavor combination. Hey Landon, you mind passing me a soda? Ah, no, I can get used to this. Nice backrest behind me, cup holder by my side. But wait, fold this down. You ready to cast a rod, do a backflip? Who cares? It is totally up to you. So what I'm going to point out next here is the vast amount of space on the aft deck. 8-foot 6-inch beam on a 21-foot boat. You got room for yourself and the whole family comfortably too. Hey, no secret, big fish guy here. That's why I'm a huge fan with what Whaler's done recently with the new leaning post live wells. Take a look down here. Also, no shortage of rod holders back here either. With 8 rocket launcher rod holders, we've got room for the whole arsenal. A few more additional teak accents moving up forward along the side on the gunnels. Also down here by the footrest. Whaler did a really good job, kind of like a nod to the past. Reminds you of the days cruising around the bay with your parents or grandparents in their own Montauk. Really brings back the nostalgia, hits you hard on this one. So also right here, a few things that I'm going to point out on the dash. Got a digital throttle shift system, really smooth shifting in and out of gear. Lenco trib tabs keep the boat riding level, especially with the whole family on board. And last but not least, we've got a blank canvas right here. I'd go with a 9-inch screen, possibly Simrad, Raymarine, Garmin maybe. The choice is completely yours. So a nice luxury that just about everybody likes to have is a nice big spacious head down below. But one thing I want to point out about this particular one is that unlike other boats in this size class range, this is a pump out head. Get your head pumped out at any marina. It's not a porta potty, which you see on a lot of smaller boats. Real big upgrade. And of course, how could I not point out a nice hard T-top here, really strong and rugged, built to last. So, is there any storage up on the bow? I don't know. You tell me. If you guys have any further questions about this particular model or any other boats on our lineup here at MarineMax St. Petersburg, come on down, let me get you out on the water, or better yet, let's get you on your next boat of your dreams. Captain Nick, MarineMax St. Petersburg, and I'm signing off.